Hello and welcome everybody. If you just watched the first video, how to do a free trial, this one's going to be very simple for you and very quick as well because you probably already saw it, but I wanted to make sure you knew how to do a discount on your page to give it away for people for a time so that they can actually check out your content for a lower rate so you can figure out if they want to stick or not. So straight to here, you go to this platform, you click on your profile picture from here, you go to the fans, and you go to expired here. Expired is going to tell you to start a campaign. Discount and free trial are right here. So if you're someone who's just starting OnlyFans and you're wondering why you should do a discount or a free trial, it's because it's like any other business. A lot of people, unless you have a huge following already, need to know if they want to stick or not. Here's a very, very key thing about that. You have to interact with people in your messages or they will not stick. So this is a quick little overview of how you do your trial. You pick how many people you want. You could do unlimited. It can only last for 1, 2, 30 days, depending on however you want it. You can do as much of a discount as you want here. And then once you pick your discount, you can send a message out to everyone that do that. You can do for new subscribers as well. One thing about the duration, if you do 100% a discount but not a trial, I don't really know the difference because neither of them automatically subscribe to your page. And you can pick different amount of days. I think the difference is what it says on your platform, whether it's free trial or does it say discounted rate, 100% discount, however you want to put that in the marketing style. So that is how you actually do your discounts on your OnlyFans page.